Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 30th, 2024. Almost end of the month, and in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, so three puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 8627. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. I think it's 24. This one, 4 stars, is always 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. 3, 4 fours. All right. We have here 2 fives. 4 sixes. Well. 3 sevens. 2 eights and 1 9. So the 4s and the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? Well, yeah. 4 in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left of the 4, a shoe there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 3 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. The only place left of the 4, a should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left of the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place left of the 4, a shoe there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 4. How about the 6 then? 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the number? The number. The number. Let me think. The number. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only place level 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left of the 3 in the last column should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1. Need a 2. And I need a 8. Yeah, okay. Let me think. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. Now I can continue, I believe, with the 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. 3, 3. Need a 9, need a 8, need a 7. 9, 8, 7. Okay. 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Come on, come on, come on. No 7 there. 7. Well, in this column, the middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 7. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only place left is 7 in the middle column. I should be there. Alright. Alright, 7. I need a 9 here. Let me think. Need a 3 here. Come on. Okay. Need a 2 here. And I need a 9, 2, 9, and then 3. 2, 9, and 3. What these? Ooh. Come on. I'm thinking. 5, 5. Need a 9, need a 8, need a 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in this row. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and the 7 in the first row, so no 1 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay, 3, 3. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I need a 5 here, I need a 5 there. Yes, in this row, we need a 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. Then, let me see. Need 8 here. Yeah, need 8. 2, 3, 7. And I need an 8 there. I need 8 there. I need 8 here. How about, I need a 3 here. No 7, no 7, 7. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here. Could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 7 should be there. And so the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Okay. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Shoot me down. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in the third column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in the middle row should be here. Then need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. About these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 189. 189. 99. Need a 1 here. Okay. Okay. 1 1. Need a 8. Need a 2. 2 2. Yeah. Need a 2 here also. 2 5 6 4 3. Should be the 3 here. 3 should be here. And I need a 2. And I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 9. I need a 8. Also here, I believe. Well, 9, 8, 7. Wow. 7 should be here. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Can it be a 7? Could be a 7. I'm thinking. 1, 1, need a 1 here. 1, 1. I'm thinking. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could be a 1. Could be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 in this middle row should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7, so I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. That means we need an 8 here. We need a 3 here. 3, 3, need a 3 there. 8, 9, and the 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for about 8. 8 and 9, we have 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 and 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left the 5, it should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here, or there, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.